Do you have old, blurry, low resolution or shaky videos that you wish looked more modern and clear? Maybe you want content that looks sharp on bigger screens, on YouTube, social media, or for professional use. If so, then an AI video enhancement tool like Aiarty Video Enhancer might be what you need. In this video, I will review Aiarty Video Enhancer, explaining how it works, what it can do, and whether it is still a strong choice to upscale any video to 4K with AI in a simple way that everyone can understand. Aiarty Video Enhancer is an AI-powered software that helps you to take the low-resolution videos and make them clearer, sharper, and higher resolution, including up to 4K. It uses advanced artificial intelligence, the models like the remove noise, fix blur, or restore the details, and even make motion smoother, all with just a few clicks. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and creative projects and help you to find tools that truly work without any confusion. In today's video, we are reviewing the Aiarty Video Enhancer and looking at how well it lets you to upscale and improve any video with AI. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try the Aiarty Video Enhancer by yourself. And using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about what Aiarty Video Enhancer actually does. At its core, Aiarty is a desktop app that uses artificial intelligence to enhance video visually and audibly. You can take low-quality video that is blurry, grainy, or pixelated, and you can transform it into a much better version. You can upscale from standard definition or HD up to a full 4K resolution, which is great if you want your videos to look professional on big screens or YouTube. You don't need any editing skills to get started. The tool is beginner friendly and designed to work with simple steps. So one of the first things many users notice about the Aiarty is how it handles the noise and the blur. When you have footage with grainy or noisy visual, especially from old cameras or lower-end smartphones, Aiarty's AI models can clean up the noise and restore the clarity. At the same time, it sharpens the details like face, textures, and moving objects. This makes it much easier to watch and improves the overall look for your videos. Aiarty doesn't just stop at resolution enhancement. It also improves motion by smoothing choppy footage. So if your video feels uneven or shuddery, the system uses AI frame interpolation to add new frames, making the motion smoother and more natural. This is especially helpful for slow motion scenes or footage with a low frame rate. Another advantage is that Aiarty works offline on your computer. This means your videos never need to be uploaded to internet, so your privacy stays safe. All the processing happens locally on your machine, and the software is optimized to use your computer's GPU to speed up the enhancement. This local processing also means there is no dependency on internet speed, and you can work even when you are offline. Aiarty uses multiple AI models, each designed for specific improvement tasks. Some models focus on sharp detail and fine textures, while others are better for smoothing out the noise and restoring natural color fidelity. This makes it flexible because you can choose the right model based on your video content, whether it's outdoor scenes, portraits, animations, or low-light footage. You can enhance any of your videos. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Aiarty is straightforward. You import your video into the app, you just choose the enhancement model you want and decide on your upscale target like 1080p, 4K, and let the tool process the video. You don't have to be a video editor or AI expert. Even users with no experience, they can follow these steps and get high quality results. Reviews and real-world tests that show the Aiarty can deliver impressive results, bringing out details that were previously hidden and restoring the videos so they look modern and crisp. Users have reported significant improvements in clarity, detail, and color quality, especially in old home videos or footage that originally looked grainy or dull. But of course, no tool is perfect. Some users have noticed minor issues like slight artifacts around the edges in specific scenes, or slower performance on computers without a strong GPU. Also, Aiarty currently supports common video formats and codec like MP4, MOV, and the H.265, but professionals who need very specific formats that might find limitations compared to some high-end tools. In terms of pricing, Aiarty usually offers both free trial version and the paid license. The free trial lets you test the core features and enhancement shorter videos, so you can see the results before you buy. Paid options may include the yearly plans or one-time lifetime license with extra benefit like longer export limits, batch processing, watermark removal, and priority updates. So to conclude, Aiarty Video Enhancer is a strong AI video enhancement tool that helps you to upscale any video to 4K, clean the noise, fix blur, and smooth motion with easy steps. It works offline, offers multiple AI models for different needs, and can dramatically improve your clips without complicated editing knowledge. Whether you are restoring the old footage or polishing new content for social media or YouTube, Aiarty gives you reliable results with minimal effort. So that's all for today's video. If Aiarty video enhancement review helped you to understand what it does and whether it is worth to using, give this video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.